a tight situation here. I got the big truck. We got to get this sea can over here. The slope down here, the grass is wet. There's really no room for me to. So I can slash block my cable, holding this in place. Roll my line nice down to this box. I want to drag it. Alright, so to lift this as we go, I'm going to use this log here, doing here, and then the log to make the box. Pretty hard pull. Clear the back of the truck. Okay, shit. We are pulling the tree over. Alright, change of plans. Coming. It's on here straight. So I always. Alright, so on the truck here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to rehook my side on. And if I create ground here, it's pretty grippy. So I want to make sure I didn't leave anything behind. This is where it was, way down here.